get inside your projects. Let's go! Hey guys, we're back in the garage and I couldn't be happier. So let's see what we got going on today. So yeah, we did the 5150 car shuffle, but I got my Christmas bonus early. And guess what? I spent all of it on something I really need. Oh yeah, 220 time. Shouldn't take long to heat this 20 by 40 up. Alright guys, well it feels like forever since I pulled the trigger on the welder. Let's see what we got. Well, that's better, getting all these little mini mountains. Well, you guys didn't see all the welding I was doing because, well, the angle was wrong. Well, you can see these welds here. Those are the welds I'm looking for. So, I think maybe I'm just not welding on a clean surface. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind this all down and probably won't even be filming. I'm just gonna be welding for the next couple hours and enjoying time with the car, so we'll see how this comes out. All right, well you saw me earlier struggling with trying to find, I don't know if it was so much a good setting, I went ahead and cleaned the metal, obviously. We want clean metal to weld on, so let's go ahead and try this now with some nice clean metal and see if it was just that and not me monkeying around with the settings. There we go. That's kind of weld we're looking for. Good penetration. Nice. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. We're welding. Alright guys, you get the idea. I'm terrible at welding. But hey, perfect car to try it on, 56 oval ragtop, right? Guys, I forgot to tell you what we were even working on. This is a 56 ragtop car that still has original floors in it. I got this from Rhode Island. He documented all the miles on this car. He was a college professor or a high school teacher. He would document where he was going, arriving and departing. Very cool. URI, University of Rhode Island. We'll just go ahead and grind this down and one warped sheet metal panel coming up. All right, guys, forgive the lighting. I'm used to being outside. Pretty much welded in. I'm just going to go ahead and say that's just going to need a skim coat or 2 or 3 or 4 or just a lot of filler, okay? That's what I'm going to say. It shouldn't be too bad. I didn't warp it too much, just a little. All right, guys, as you can see, the heater is working fantastic. It's not too bad though. It's not in the single digits as it was. So I just wanted to get a video out before Christmas to wish all you guys a Merry Christmas and end of the year. Super thank you for all the support you guys have given the channel, the comments, it's been amazing how much positivity I've gotten, feedback from you guys and support. I can't say thank you enough. So that being said, it was great to pull the trigger on the welder here on the 56. Took me a little bit to dial the welder in and like remember clean welds, you know this, so came out okay. I'm happy with that. And we're in the shop. So no, we don't have heat, but who cares? We're in the shop. We don't need heat. We'll just heat up our metal and keep welding. So looking forward to finally emptying that last or first spool on the old Miller there and keep progressing. So thank you guys. Have a great, safe Merry Christmas. Can't say thank you enough. And we'll see you guys soon. All right? Take care. Oh, there goes the rust and crust. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. Can't leave without my pizza.